I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by identifying your mouse and phone capabilities. If your mouse is Bluetooth, turn it on and make it discoverable. If it's USB, get a USB-C or micro USB OTG adapter. Once done, make sure your phone supports OTG or Bluetooth HID. This is why pairing will work. You'll also want to charge both devices and close heavy apps so pairing goes smoothly. This first step gets the hardware ready and prevents common failures later. You now make the actual connection. For Bluetooth mice, open Settings, go to Bluetooth and tap Pair on the device name. Accept any PIN prompts. This establishes the HID channel. For USB OTG, plug the adapter into the phone, then the mouse. A cursor should appear immediately because the phone recognizes HID. Once connected, adjust pointer speed in settings to your taste. If the cursor is missing, make sure OTG is enabled and try a different USB port or adapter. You finish by customizing and stabilizing the connection. Go to Settings, right arrow Accessibility or mouse/pointer settings to tweak pointer speed, button mapping, and scrolling behavior so it feels natural. Once done, make sure to disconnect properly. Unpair for Bluetooth, eject for OTG. If the mouse disconnects or behaves oddly, reboot the phone and reattempt pairing. This resolves many Bluetooth stack glitches. If issues persist, test the mouse on another device to determine whether the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.